Picture trying to join a Zoom call while your internet cuts out every 10 minutes. That's the daily reality for remote workers in Somalia, where the tech infrastructure tells a fascinating story of innovation under pressure. Somalia's work-from-home landscape operates like a patchwork quilt, where individual pieces work together to create something functional despite obvious gaps. Understanding this requires looking at three critical components that make remote work possible in challenging environments. First, internet connectivity relies heavily on satellite networks and mobile data rather than traditional fiber optic cables. Satellite internet means data travels 22,000 miles to space and back for each click, creating natural delays but providing coverage where ground infrastructure fails. Mobile networks carry most of the traffic through 3G and 4G towers, with 5G deployments still in early stages. Major telecom companies like Horvat and Telesom provide the backbone, often using microwave links between towers instead of buried cables. Second, power infrastructure presents unique challenges that remote workers solve creatively. Grid electricity remains unreliable in many areas, so backup power systems become essential. Solar panels combined with battery banks create mini power grids for individual homes and small offices. Diesel generators provide additional backup, though fuel costs impact long-term sustainability. Third, payment systems for remote work leverage mobile money platforms rather than traditional banking. Services like EBC Plus and ZAT allow workers to receive international payments through local agents who convert foreign currency. This creates an informal but effective financial infrastructure that bypasses traditional banking limitations. These three elements combine to support a growing remote workforce that serves both local and international clients. The success stories demonstrate how necessity drives innovation in unexpected ways. If you want to understand mobile money systems in developing nations next, it is already on the channel.